Hi everyone. Hope you all are good. And we're talking to Naya. We can find all the lessons and the students of one. All the lessons. Okay, so basically we are here for building my right? There is something wrong with the lesson and I will fix it. So we will working on is inversion comparing the lessons we can do over the which number is the best of least other numbers comparing with addition and subtraction and please take the problems. So please make sure you have your marker and pencil so that you can note down the example and definition. Yes. Okay, now I'm going to let's just start with the lesson that is which number is the best of. So let's just start with the lesson. So which number is largest? We are given the list of the numbers. They are 640, 640, 644. So look at their that is 640, 640, and 644. Look at the highest digit rather than the highest as well. So they are six, they're exactly equal. Now look at the digit that is 10 space again, they are four. They are equal, so now you have the 40 space value that is largest one is 8. That means 648 is the largest. Okay, let's just start with the next question. Grade 3 math. We are there is something wrong with the chapter lesson name. I will fix it. So how many calls you receive each day? On which date it was the right time receive the previous call? So which is the correct option we have to look for the smallest number. So which is the smallest number? 488, 479, 478, and 440. That is 448. That is on Tuesday. That means on Tuesday, the support line receive the previous call. The correct option is Tuesday. Gina kept a log of how many pages she read each month and which month did Gina read the previous pages. So the smallest number is 448, 428, 452, and 480. That is 428. That is on January. Option number three is the correct option. Which number is smallest? 106, 306, and 186. So which is the smallest number? That is 106. Option number three is the correct option. That is the smallest. Has the shop kept track of how many ice cream cones it sold in the past 4 days? On which day did the shop sell the most ice cream cones? The most ice cream cones. The most number is the next highest number is 183. That means Thursday is option number two is the correct option. Ice cream shop. Sean jotted down how many minutes he spent practicing gymnastic in the past 4 days. On which day did Sean practice the most? So which is the correct option? One hundred 111, 153, and 151. That is correct. Option number three is the correct option. Which number is larger? 52 and 12, which is the correct option. That is 52. The larger number is 52. Option number one is the correct option. Some friends compare the sizes of their sticker collections. Who had the most stickers? So which is the correct option? The most stickers 963, 936, 992, and 963. That is 909, and it is option number one is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself over the day. Let me just reward it. Next lesson. Order numbers. Just start with the lesson. Let's just start with the questions. Put these numbers in order from greatest to least. So we have to arrange these numbers from greatest to least. They are 74, 60, 65, 95, 84. Option number one is the correct option. That is the weight loss number of 95. That is 274. Then we have 65, 60, and 95, 74, 65, 60, and 40. Option number one is the correct option. These numbers in order from greatest to least, so which is the correct option. So we have to arrange these numbers from greatest to least. So 16, 24, 10, 63, and 90. We have to arrange these numbers from greatest to least. So the greatest is 63, then we have 24, then we have 9, then we have 16 and 10. 63, 24, 19, 16, and 10. Option number one is the correct option. Put these words in order from least to greatest. So the least one is 71, 74, 76, and 83. That was 71, 74, 76, and 83. Option number three is the correct option. If you arrange these numbers from greatest to least, which number will come second? The second one. The first one would be 47. The second one is 46. So the correct option is option number B. 46 it is. If you arrange these numbers from best to least, which number comes first? So that is the correct option. Which number will come first? That is 18. Option number three is the correct option. If you arrange these numbers from greatest to least, which number will come forward? Which is the correct option? Third, you have to write, right? So the greatest would be 99. Then we have 69, 68. The correct option is 60. 68 is the third number. The correct option is 60. If you arrange these numbers from greatest to least, which number will come forward? So which number is correct? 37, no, sorry. 49, 37, 34, and 35. So the fourth one is 25. Option is 25. According to numbers from the test released, that is grade 3 section. There is something wrong with the lesson. We are trying to fix the lesson. That's grade 3 maths, not grade 6. That's if you're in these numbers by the test released, which number will down fifth? The fifth one is 42. Option number 3 is the correct option. Okay, we can complete the lesson by way of something to be reading just to remember the next lesson. The next lesson is comparing with addition and subtraction. Hence the statement 1 plus what number is less than 6 minus 2. So first you have to subtract. 6 minus 2 is 4. 1 plus the missing number is less than. So you are given the numbers in the option. You have to see what number is added to 1 is less than 4. So that would be 1 plus 5, that is 6 is less than 4. Okay, let's just start with the test questions. Which number makes the statement true? 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 is greater than a missing number minus 1. So what number minus 1 is greater than 4? Less than 4, right? 4 is greater. That is 3 minus 1. So 4 is greater than 2. Option number 2 is, sorry, 1 is the correct option. It will be 3. Okay, the next one is which number may be 22? 4 is greater than 8 minus missing number. So that is 4 is greater than 8 minus the missing number, right? That means the number on the left side must be smaller than 4 because 4 is greater. So it will be 8 minus 5 because 4 is greater than 3. Got it? So the missing number would be 5. Number makes the statement 7 plus missing number is less than 12. So which is the correct option? 7 plus what number is less than 12? 7 plus 6 is less than 12, that is 13. 13 is less than 12. Seven plus two. Oh, that is less than 12. So 7 plus 2 is 9, and 9 is less than 12. Thank you. So which number makes the statement to 4 plus what number is greater than 10? That is 4 plus 7 is 11, and 11 is greater than 10. Option number 1 is the correct option. 12 is less than. That is 7 plus 5. 12 is less than 12. Twelve is less than 13. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself. Take it again. Let me just one minute. The next lesson is multi-step inequalities. Let's just start with the lesson. Its sign makes statement 4 plus 16 plus 6 meaning and 19 minus. So 16 plus 6 we have to solve and get first. That is 22 plus 4, 26 it is. And 19 minus 6 is 19 minus 3 is 16. So 26 is greater than 16. Let's just start with test questions. 4 plus 7, 18 minus 13 minus 2. So let's just roll one side and see are they equal. 7 plus 2 is 9. 18 minus 13 minus 2 is 11. So 18 minus 11 is 7. So 1 is greater than 7 or less than 7. 9 is greater than 7. The correct option is greater. Option number 1 is the correct option. Which sign makes the statement true? 20 minus 7 minus 6. 12 minus 7 is 13. 13 minus 6 is 7. 7 is equal to 7. They both are exactly equal. Option number 3 is the correct option. Equal. Which sign makes the statement true? That is 20 minus 3 is 17 and 17 minus 2. 7 plus 8 is 15. So 15 is equal to 15 equal. Option 3 is the correct option directly. Which sign makes the statement true? 9 minus 5 is 4. 19 minus 5. 18 plus 3 is 20. 15 is less than 20. 15 is less than 21. Option two is the correct option. Which sign makes the statement true? 11 plus 17 and 3 plus minus C, which is yes, it is true. Okay, 11 plus 17 is 28 and 17 plus 5 is 22. 28 and 25. So 28 is between 25 or less than 25. 28 is greater than 25. 28 is greater than 25. Option number one is the correct option. Which sign makes the statement true? 16 plus 6 plus 4, 19 minus 3. 16 plus 6 is 22, 22 plus 4 is 26, and 19 minus 3. 19 minus 3 is 16. So 26 is greater than 16. The correct option is 3. Option number one is the correct option, 3 kilograms. Twelve minus 11 plus 17 and 12 plus 6. 12 minus 11 is 1 and 1 plus 17 is 18. So 18 is equal to 18. Right option is 18. Okay, then you can complete the lesson by yourself with the grade. So we were working on grade 3 math. Chapter 2 working on is comparing numbers and comparing the lessons we have covered today are so which number is based on and least order numbers comparing the additional subtraction and multi-step inequalities. So please make sure that the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons which I did that very next session. So don't help with any of the lessons you can simply click on the chat button. Tutor didn't feel like one of the question which was and he would answer all question and confusions if you had. So any questions you can ask if you have any. And that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye everyone.